3% olive oil, 3% salt, 2% yeast. For start, all salt inside for the yeast, a little bit. Good, fine. So we can make a dough.
Okay.
It's simple.
Not as easy as it looks.
Wow, this gives you a wrist workout, man.
Now we go down to make your pizza. Your first time, it's normally, madam.
Mine was.
She make the heart, and you make Colosseum.
Yes. I've been told that Napoli pizza is the best in the world. It's different. I gotta tell you the truth. I wasn't expecting it to be like that different or that much better, but this is like a step above any pizza I've ever had, and it's different than any pizza you've ever eaten, and it is so delicious. I was looking at these two pizzas thinking I'll never eat them all. I'll eat them right now.